maulan, deliver pa rin ako.
Shoutout sa Papaya SM South Mall. Safety mo. Pero soft drinks na ito.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
So welcome back guys. At dito lang ngayon din sa may RFC sa may Molino. So pick up tayo dito ulit. Worth of 4,000 yung order ng customer. So makikita nyo naman sa inyo sa plastic. Makikita nyo yung plastic na puti. Yan yung order ng customer. Tara dito tayo maabutan ng ulan guys. So kalimutan si kanina. At sa mga kapwa rider na delivery, so ingat kayo kasi madulas sa kalsada. Huwag kayo magmamadali. Isipin nyo lagi na may nag-aantay ng pamilya sa atin. So tayo na lang tayo guys at mag-deliver pa tayo. Ride safe. Ayun guys, at 3 bags siya. So i-deliver na natin sa Pilar. So waiting na lang si customer na drop na lang natin. Sana hindi tayo mabutan ng ulan. At yun, abutan tayo ng isang oras na ito, kakakantay dito kay customer. So i-deliver natin.
I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.